This is Oreo Badal. He's so nice, comfortable.
What's your
She
name?
always trying to be in the camera. Okay, guys, I'm gonna be eating the wrap snacks.
What's your name?
Lil Boosie,
Louisiana.
Mommy, what's your...
The hottest chip around. Lil Boosie, we challenge you with the Lil Boosie chips challenge. Start.
Welcome to the Badal.
Where's water? Get him a cup of water. Shower. He gonna need it.
I'm gonna try it.
Can I try one? Let me do it.
Oh, this is too big.
Show me.
Okay, ready,
Show
set,
me.
go.
Girl, you don't know what you're getting into.
I can't do it.
See? I told her she don't know what she's getting into. See? Somebody needed some water. Second one need water. If you throw it on the floor, you gotta pick it up. No water yet?
I don't like them. Too spicy. My mouth is still hot.
I see a winner in the forecast.
A winter?
A winner, not a winter.
I like
A
winter.
winner.
It's still hot. It's still hot.
You know your mouth still, you better drink water, girl. I told you didn't want to mess with that.
It's too hot.
It's what?
It's too hot.
Loser and... Well, I'm a loser too. I tried it. I only could eat one, and I had to drink nothing but water.
What's your name? Welcome to the... What's your name? Badal sisters? Badal family? I told y'all, welcome to the Badal family.
So how was the chip to you when you ate it?
Oh.
Was it spicy?
It was not like little spicy. It was high. Like 120%.
Wow.
How can he eat those? How can he eat them?
Because he loves spicy
I
food.
hate spicy stuff.
Oh no, baby. No, let me see how much you ate.
When I ate that chip, I said, "Oh no, baby."
You're not funny.
I don't care. I got time. Look.
You don't need a water bottle. Don't you need water? Oh yeah, that's cheating. Water is cheating. But they real.
You can eat it.
You want to eat this?
Try to pick that chip up off the floor. The chips on the floor, pick them up that you threw on that floor.
You see it, don't you? Yeah, his mouth getting hot. There's an air.
I don't see it. I think you need water.
Little bosa.
You still don't need water.
paper cut at school today.
Why you go the other way?
I feel like John Cena on my that is Aquafina.
I made this shirt. What's good with him?
John Cena on my
Just look at him. Keep it eating.